Was I drawn into your orbit, or were you drawn into mine? In any case, you've given me a new reason to shine. The circles we're revolving, spinning recklessly around, growing tighter by the hour, till the flash and then the sound, and for a moment two are one, glowing with the brilliance of a multiplying sun. But even stars will one day fall, and I won't shed a tear, 'cause for a time we had it all. In a darker time I floated like a lantern in the sky, alone until the moment that I saw you flying by. I don't know where you came from or the way the wind will blow. I only know I'll follow you no matter where you go. And when the candles start to fade, slowly we'll descend, but I will never be afraid. And even as we start to fall, I won't shed a tear, 'cause for a time we had it all. When I met you at the bus stop, I was waiting for a ride. Instead I found a future when you sat by me inside. All the roads that we have traveled through the land and in our lives, returning like a spiral as the dimming sun arrives. And when the stars were all aligned, you pulled me in your orbit as I pulled you into mine. And when the time has come to fall, I won't shed a tear, 'cause for a time we had it all. For a time we had it all. thousand candles flicker in 1,000 windowsills, a sea of empty hearts without a drop of love to fill. The root of all the heartaches, where the seeds of life will grow. So come, my friends, it's time that you arose. Your voices may be silent, but we hear you all the same. Your words are in the sunlight and the tapping of the rain. It waters all the seeds asleep within the ground below. So come, my friends, it's time that you arose. We will be free, we'll be released, as the echoes of your voices fill the air. We won't give up, we won't surrender. Though your voice is gone, your words we will remember. The lessons of the past can lead the future on its way, but we keep getting lost in the distractions of the day. Now history's repeating and the cycle we must break. So come, my friends, it's time that you awake. We will be free, we'll be released, as the echoes of your voices fill the air. We won't give up, we won't surrender. Though your voice is gone, your words we will remember. driving winds of autumn blow the leaves into the dust. The newly naked forest shouts and shivers at the gusts. The branches of the tree of life will bend but never break. So come, my friends, it's time that you awake.